Alrighty, what is good, guys? Frick. Alright, what is good, guys? Welcome to another trade recap here on the channel. Another trade recap. I'm gonna go over some trades that I didn't take and trades that I took. So as you can see, we have the executions here. I went long with 3 contracts, whatever. But coming into today, this is what I noticed, right? Overall bear structure on the daily, we inverse this gap right here. Boom. Inverse this gap. And on the 4-hour, first of all, I marked out my previous day highs and lows, right? Easy. And previous week's highs and lows towards the last daily candle. Then on the 4-hour, we have an SMT with all-time highs. And here you can obviously see that we're bearish and we want previous day's lows and other lows down here. We disrespected this fair value gap right here, 4-hour gap. And yeah, that's in the 4-hour. You can just see that like we're delivering from all the sell side. From bearish confluence. There's a gap here. Take out liquidity there, and then another gap right somewhere. I don't know. That's on the hourly as well. But yeah, overall bear structure on here. You can see, even on the 4-hour, like we're breaking structure to the downside constantly. And then on the hourly, you can even see it's even more bearish. Like we're respecting other confluences like this 4-hour gap, hourly gap, this gap, this gap. All this is looking bearish to me. And what I wanted to see here is that right here I noticed we did have this 4-hour gap, right? Yep. But I wanted to see us come out, up, fill an equilibrium of this range, come into this hourly fair value gap, take out London highs possibly, and look for some shorts to previous day's lows because it was obvious draws on liquidity. And I also had conditions for longs if we were going to be bullish, which was, come down here, take out previous day's highs and lows, and then look to go fill an equilibrium in that gap. I have it in my Discord. I'm pretty sure I put it in my Discord. I'm going to go find that. No. So right here, you can see that we either come down, take out previous day's lows, and go up to fill an equilibrium in the range, or we just come up, fill an equilibrium, fill in the gap, take out London highs, and go down to previous day lows. I wanted this to happen more, but I took longs. Oh my god, I'm getting too much. But yeah. But here, as you can see, I'm going to show you guys a trade that I would have taken, but I didn't take because it ran without me. So here, first things first, what I wanted to see happen, right? We came up, we took out London highs, we filled an equilibrium, filled in this gap nicely, and then we start getting good momentum down. What I wanted to see is this fair value gap get inverse. But what could I have done differently in this situation right here to catch these shorts that like really edged like one singular tick from previous day's lows is probably entered off this inversion right here. Enter off this inversion after it boom right here stops above these highs and target those previous day's lows. That would have been a better trade, but I didn't take that one. I took it. I didn't even take it this trade, but we had this 1-minute inverse right here. I didn't take it because it was so close to getting inverse, but then it ran without me. I was gonna take what's it called, the retest of this inverse to go short, but I hesitated on that too. Thankfully I did because it didn't hit. Then I noticed here we're in a market maker buy model. Now I don't know why I took this really, but it was a good setup. I like the setup because we took out London lows. We made an SMT with London lows, and I really like the setup low key. And as you can see, we generated buy side liquidity and we started getting good momentum after. So I entered off of after these two fair value gaps here got inversed. Entered in with 3 contracts. I risked light today because I was going against my bias. I wanted to see shorts play out today. So I entered in with around 130 something. And stops were below this candle right here. We entered here. And TP was at this buy side liquidity right here. And I did go break even once we took out this high right here. Got break evened. I did take a partial right here for 1 contract, made around 57 bucks on that. Unfortunately, we did get stopped at break even. It did go to my target, but then this is where I wanted to take this short. This short was so good, but I didn't take it. Why? Because I had to get ready for school, then I had to leave for school. Then I looked at my Instagram and I'm like, damn, everyone took this short. Even PB Trading, Emmy Trades took this shit, and I had to get ready for school. Unfortunate. But here you could see we took out this buy side, all the buy side. We took out a 15-minute buy side liquidity. We retest this hourly gap. And right here, boom, we have this 1-minute inverse. You could enter right here. Boom, stops a little bit above that fair value gap. And then target those previous day's lows, which it absolutely smashed. Smashed for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Like, this trade was so nice. Now that I'm looking at it, I probably would have gotten stopped to break even. Damn. Yeah, I would have gotten stopped at break even on that. Whatever. It was a good trade. This would have been a nice trade if anyone took that. How long? 6 minutes only? Yeah, that already concludes the trade recap. It was pretty simple today. Just unfortunate I didn't catch these shorts right here because I wanted those shorts for real. Let me see if there's any better. Yeah, I don't think there was a better fair value gap to get inversed here. 5-minute maybe? No. The 1-minute was the cleanest, honestly. But yeah, enough of that. Trade recap's done. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for another trade recap. Leave a comment down below for any other video ideas. I'm definitely needing that because I want to film other stuff. And yeah, God bless y'all. Trade safe. Make sure you guys go follow my other socials. And yeah, God bless y'all.